In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Slack chat history permanently. Step by step. 2025. If you need to permanently remove conversations in Slack, there are two built-in ways to do it. Delete the individual messages you sent, or, if you're an admin, delete an entire channel to wipe everything inside it. Both options are permanent, so make sure you're in the right place before you proceed. First, let's remove a single message you sent on desktop. Open Slack and navigate to the channel or direct message that contains the post you want gone. Hover your mouse over that specific message to reveal the action bar. Click the three dots icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. Choose Delete Message, and when Slack asks you to confirm, click Delete again. That message immediately disappears from the conversation for everyone. This only affects messages you authored. You can't remove other people's posts unless your role has special permissions. If you don't see the delete option, your workspace may have disabled message deletion or limited it to owners and admins. You can repeat this for as many messages as you like, including posts inside threads. A quick tip: use search or jump to a date to locate older messages you've posted, then remove them one by one. There isn't a one-click way to erase an entire direct message thread, so for DMs, manual deletion is the method. Now, if your goal is to clear out an entire channel's history at once, you'll need to delete the channel itself. This is irreversible, so double-check you're in the correct channel and that you truly want everything removed. Go to the channel, then click its name at the top of the window to open the channel details. In the Details panel, select Settings, then choose Delete Channel. Slack will prompt you to confirm. Approve the prompt to permanently remove the channel and all of its messages. Once deleted, the channel, its conversation history, and its context are gone and can't be recovered. Only workspace owners or admins can perform this action. If you don't have that role, you'll need to contact someone who does. Also keep in mind that some organizations enforce retention or compliance rules that prevent channel deletion altogether. To recap, delete your own messages when you need to clean up specific posts, and delete the channel only when you need a complete reset of everything in it. Work carefully, confirm before you click, and follow your company's data policies so you don't remove something important by accident.